that boy can cook in a place, in your face. And today, I got a request to do a shrimp Alfredo baked potato. Yeah, I did an Alfredo pasta last week, so I got a request to do an Alfredo baked potato this week. So we're gonna do a shrimp Alfredo baked potato. Yeah, let's get to it. Right, this is what we're working with for our shrimp Alfredo baked potato. All right, now I already baked my potatoes. I didn't want to take up too much time, so I just wrapped them in foil, rubbed them in oil, poked them, and baked them for about 45 to 50 minutes. So here's our potatoes. We have our jumbo shrimp. I like them big. We have 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. We have a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We have a 1.5 teaspoon of minced garlic. Forgive me. We got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna divide that. We have our homemade Cajun seasoning. The recipe will be in the description, so don't worry about that. And we also have our fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Let's reheat our countertop stove up. We're gonna take our shrimps, and we're gonna take our Cajun seasoning, and we're gonna season these boys up. So let's just go ahead and get them all seasoned and coated up. Sorry, y'all can't see that. There we go. We're just gonna season them. We'll put some more on there. Look at that. Looking good, looking good. Let's go ahead and use what we have left for our seasoning. There we go. Let's get everything mixed and mingled so everything will fall in place. Alrighty, and here's our shrimps, all mixed up in our homemade Cajun seasoning. So let's get this pan on our heat. Let's get these gloves off. And let's let this pan. Our skillet is hot. Let's take 1 tablespoon of our butter. Let's get it in there and get it melted. Let's go ahead and get our shrimp in there before my butter get too dark. There we go. Let's just get them all in there. There we go. And we're just gonna saute these boys for about 1.5 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on how it comes out. Don't take long at all. So I have this on medium-high heat. And I cook these on one side for about 1.5 minutes. So let's get them all turned and finish them on the other side. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Before we remove our shrimp, let's add our other stick of butter. There we go. Just like that. All right. Now let's remove our shrimp. We don't want to overcook those. You don't want them to become rubbery. So next, we're going to take our garlic, and we're going to saute this garlic. There we go. And now we're going to take our heavy cream, and we're just going to deglaze this right here. Right, now let's deglaze this. There we go. thing we're going to do, we're going to take our salt and pepper and put that in there. There it is. Make sure we get that mixed in. As such. All right, now let's get our Parm cheese. And let's just sprinkle it in. There we go. Let's go ahead and put that whole half cup of cheese in there. There we go. We're just gonna let it melt and let it thicken up. We're gonna taste it for likeness. And that's it, that's all for Alfredo sauce. I mean, it's just that simple. It is just that simple. So make sure you stir it so your cheese won't all clump up in one place. There you go. That's that Alfredo sauce right there. You didn't know? That boy can cook. Alrighty. Our Alfredo sauce is done. Just that easy, just that quick, just that simple. So we're just gonna give it a taster. Oh yeah, that's it. That is it. That cheese, yeah. Oh yeah. How about that for a $1? All right, now let's move on to the next step. Let me clean my station up, and we finna build this shrimp Alfredo baked potato. Yeah. Right, as you can see, I have one potato open. Let's go ahead and cut the other one so we can see how it works. All right. So let's just get into your potato, cut it down, and then you want to take your ends here and just push them together. As such. Bam. Open it up. Let's get it on our plate. There we go. Alrighty. Let's get some butter on the inside of this. So actually the recipe is going to yield for more than 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to say 4 tablespoons of butter because I'm putting a tablespoon on each of the potato. Alrighty. As soon as I can get this paper off of him. There we go. Get a tablespoon. There we go. A little bit. I like butter. There it is. We have our butter melting inside of our potatoes. Yes. So what I want to do, instead of putting whole shrimp, I might top it off with a whole shrimp. But to fill the insides, let's just get a rough chop on our shrimps. That way, they're bite size. So let's just get them into bite size for our baked potato. There we go. Yeah. Let's load that boy up. There we go. Let's get the next one. All right. Alrighty, now let's load this boy up. Just like that. There it is. All right, let's get these gloves off. Let's get our table wiped real quick. There we go. Yeah. All right. So next, we're gonna take our Alfredo. Just make sure you stir it. Make sure it's smooth and creamy, like it's supposed to be. And we're just gonna lace it. Yeah, we're just gonna lace it. Look at that. There we go. there. That's what I'm talking about right there. All right, and also, we're going to, just to make it look pretty, put the shrimp right there. Put the shrimp right there. Wipe my hands. There we go. We're gonna hit it with some more Parmesan cheese. Let's get this out of the way. And let's get some green onions on it. Just like that. Onions and cheese everywhere, but that's all right. There it is. Shrimp, Alfredo, baked potato in your face. Yeah. We gotta taste it, so I'll be right back. All right, we are all done with our shrimp Alfredo baked potato. Yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Ooh, I got 2 on the plate. I got 2 on the plate. Make it brush your gut. Look at that. Ooh, delicious. Shrimp, Alfredo, homemade Alfredo sauce. Let's taste it. Potato, shrimp, cheese, green peppers, not peppers, green onions, forgive me. I'm talking too much. Let's get it. Everybody can cook, man. Everybody can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time.